should you trim your beard? Thinking about that good beard trim schedule, you get on that good beard maintenance so you don't have a straggly beard, a rough looking beard, and keep it healthy. You need to trim your beard about every 4 to 6 weeks. And that kind of depends on how your hair grows and what you're kind of seeing during that time frame. For me, I do about every 4 weeks. You can kind of get in there and you can kind of see every now and then that some of your hair, your hair is growing uneven, right? So you can kind of trim that down. You might have some split ends that you notice every now and then while you're combing your hair. You can take care of those on the spot. You don't have to wait till that 4 week schedule comes around and just one off that. But that full beard trim, you take care of about every 4 to 6 weeks just to maintain that healthy beard. If you can't do it yourself, go to hit the barber shop, find one of those dope barbers. They'll get the trimmers or the shears and trim that down for you and help you maintain that even, clean beard, and you can flourish from there.